Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to Speed Tutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays, and I scour the internet for the best things made with Unity, whether that be games, projects, visual effects and so much more. Come and check out all these today, let me know your favourite ones and be sure to submit to me if you've got anything awesome and you've got a chance to be shared in next week's video. So before we get started, if everybody could throw a like on this video, that would be so awesome, so thank you very much. Behind Window Cat has a flaw with a mind of its own. User Toy EIEI has a very innocent looking chicken. User Funderful has an insane cube. ArtBen777 is creating some Outlast inspired movement. A little over a month till the planned release, Let's Get Swinging by Phantom Programming. Sniper ED007 has some weapon tweaks and a chain gun for their underwater kick-ass game. NVLL Pointer has created some ray traced pixel art and you can check this out now. And Reese512 has got a game jam game called Cracked Up, which they are working on. Charles Grassi has got some volumetric clouds with a field of view system and it looks quite awesome. RW Animator has got some Assassin's Creed style VR combat, check this out. Clown Hunter has got a dash mechanic for their main character. Ernest Robot has a crazy VR interaction system for picking up, throwing, interacting and so much more. Golden Veil has a trailer here with 6 years of solo development. Emotion Theory has their first released game, and they've put so much hard work. Superdance is having such a good time speedrunning their first map. Here it is. Soaring Pixels has a floating deck which you can build on. Check out these awesome mechanics. Summer NV has got a Lego car with a custom shader. And Outminded has a test scenario for their first boss encounter. Midview Games has got their survival game project, which changes over time. Mulin has got their adventure game, Witchwood, with a cool stylized trailer. Fairchild 670 has an underwater scene frozen in time. GameDev Eagle has developed a Rubik's Cube with snappy visuals. Last but not least is Gornmund has got the Tennis League VR, and check out some gameplay here. So be sure to check out all the fantastic games, creations and things, and I'll leave all the links in the description for you to check out. Be sure to submit to me if you have any games that you want featuring in the future. Come and join my Patreon if you want to get access to free scripts, entire projects and things that you can't find anywhere else. Come and join me on Discord if you want to chat, and be sure to check out my awesome assets on the Unity store. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.